Hair trends, tools, and accessories have taken over the beauty industry in 2019, with people paying as much attention to their hairstyling as they do to their makeup routines. Hi, I'm Sachi, and today I'll be showing you one unique and exciting product, which is an automatic hair curler, and also giving you a mini tutorial on how to get beautiful, big, bouncy curls in no time. So let's begin. Ever since I decided to go short with the length of my hair, I've been looking to invest in a good hair curler that's gonna give me smooth, long-lasting curls without the excessive heat damage. Now with stores and online websites offering such a large variety of heat styling tools ranging from drugstore like the Vega curling tong to much more high-end luxurious products like the Dyson Airwrap, I was super confused and overwhelmed. After a couple of weeks of doing my research on various websites and going across a lot of beauty reviews, I came across this particular curler, which was the Philips automatic curler that was highly recommended and also had one of the best ratings in the country when it came to curlers. It has a 2-year warranty and a great return policy and lies somewhat between the expensive and drugstore mark when it comes to pricing, so I decided to give it a try. As the name suggests, this is in fact an automatic curler. Now what that means is that it has a temperature-controlled electronic system that automatically rotates to curl each of your sections into a perfectly uniformed curl. So I purchased this curler off Amazon for Rs 6,200 and it was delivered to me within 24 hours. It comes very well packaged with 3 parts to it, one being the curler itself, a sectioning tool, and also a dust bag to store it in place when not in use. Now it also has 3 heat settings and 3 temperature settings, and you can choose the direction you want your curl to go in as well. The matte black packaging with gold accents gives this product a more sleek and high-end look, which is definitely a bonus. Before beginning the curling process, I want to give you a few details about my hair type and condition, as I believe this strongly influences the kind of curl you can achieve and how long it's going to last for. I have extremely thick hair and I've gotten it colored and smoothened multiple times, because of which it's slightly frizzy. Also, being on the straighter side, my hair finds it very difficult to hold a curl in place longer than a few hours without using a texturizing or hairspray. With all these wedding season festivities going on, it's essential to have heat styling tools like a curler or a straightener, but only if they're going to give you those beautiful long-lasting locks. So let's try out this curler and find out if it's actually worth it. Irrespective of your hair type or length or what kind of heat styling tool you're using, it's important to use a heat protectant spray beforehand to reduce the strain these appliances leave on your hair. As I mentioned before, I have extremely thick hair, so I prefer to section my hair off before I begin the curling process. And also, I'm going to leave the curler on and see if it heats up in the 30 seconds as it promises to. Always start by curling your hair from the bottom sections, moving upwards and then doing your bangs right at the end so all the curls blend in seamlessly. The sectioning tool the curler comes with is also super handy, as it tells you exactly how much hair can fit into the curler at one time without getting stuck or uprooted. Take your chosen section and feed it into the curler with the mouth of the curler facing your head at all times. You can leave it in for about 8 seconds for loose beachy waves or go up to 10 seconds if you want more well-defined ringlets. I'm going to be putting it on the maximum heat and time settings because that is what is ideal for my hair type. I always advise curling outwards and away from your face, but for those of you that have extremely thin and fine hair, you can alternate between the direction of your curl. This is instantly going to give you lots of volume. Once all your hair has been curled, you can use a few spritzes of hairspray if needed to hold it all in place so your curls last longer. This was definitely one of my best buys for 2019 and I highly recommend it to you guys. That being said, it's a little bit of an investment, but I promise you it's totally worth it if you want long, voluminous and long-lasting curls. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.